Hello, hello, little friends! It's Luxie here. Today, Luxie is going to explore a very special model with you. Wow, look at this! A big and powerful dinosaur world, a cool green forest full of trees, and a wide savanna where wild animals live. Aha! So many amazing worlds in just one model. Come on, let's play, learn, and explore together. Let's go! Gently place the base of the model on the table. Then sprinkle green sand all around to make fresh green land. Next, create a winding blue water stream and place the rocky mountain with a cave right on top. Wow! It looks just like water flowing out of a mountain cave. Put the volcano in one corner of the model, sprinkle red sand around it. Then add yellow sand to make dry land and desert areas. Smooth it gently with your hands. So nice to look at. Now place colorful pebbles along the river. Slowly pour in blue slime. Wow, the cool blue river is flowing. Place big trees, small trees, bushes, and pretty flowers along the riverbank. The forest looks cool, green, and full of life. Near the volcano, add black rocks, dry trees, and warning signs. Oh, this place is very hot and dangerous. Finally, place rocks, dry grass, and scattered trees on the yellow sand. This is where wild animals love to live. Yay! The model is finished. Now let's explore and learn about the animals together. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus has a very thick and hard head. Its head is like a helmet. It uses its head to bump others when protecting territory. This dinosaur eats plants and is quite gentle. It runs fast on strong 2 legs. A very strange and interesting dinosaur. Triceratops. Triceratops has 3 big horns on its head. The horns help it protect itself from enemies. Its neck has a hard shield. It eats grass and lives in groups. Even though it is big, it is very gentle. One of the most famous dinosaurs. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus has hard armor all over its body. Its tail has a heavy club. It uses its tail to protect itself from danger. This dinosaur eats plants and moves slowly. The armor keeps it safe from hunters. Just like an ancient tank. Concavenator. Concavenator is a meat-eating dinosaur. It has sharp teeth for hunting. There is a small hump on its back. Strong legs help it run fast. It usually hunts alone. A clever hunter from prehistoric times. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. It has 2 crests on its head. The crests make it look bigger and scarier. Its body is slim and quick. It hunts small animals. A dinosaur that is easy to recognize. Creolophosaurus. Creolophosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. It lived in cold places long ago. It has a curved crest on its head. Its body is strong with long legs. It runs fast to catch prey. A dinosaur that loved cold weather. Dimetrodon. Dimetrodon is an ancient reptile. It is not a dinosaur. It has a big sail on its back. The sail helps control body temperature. It has sharp teeth for eating meat. A very special ancient animal. Flying lizard. Flying lizards are reptiles that can fly. They are not birds. Their wings are made of thin skin. They fly in the sky to find food. They eat fish and insects. A very cool flying creature from long ago. Red parrot. Red parrots are colorful birds. Their bright red feathers stand out. They are very smart. They can copy sounds and voices. They eat seeds and fruit. A fun bird of the forest. Stork. Storks have very long legs. They live near rivers and ponds. They eat fish, frogs, and insects. They can fly very high and far. They build nests in tall trees. A familiar bird of the countryside. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long, flexible trunks. Their trunks help them eat and drink. Elephants are very smart and caring. They live in family groups, a big but gentle animal. Capybaras are large rodents. They have round, cute bodies. They are great swimmers. They live near rivers and lakes. They eat grass and plants, a calm and friendly animal. Deer. Deer are plant-eating animals. They have long, slim legs. They run very fast when scared. Male deer have beautiful antlers. They live in forests and savannas. A gentle and shy animal. Monkeys are very smart animals. They are great at climbing trees. They live in groups. They eat fruit and insects. They are playful and curious, a naughty friend of the forest. Geckos are small reptiles. They can change their skin color. This helps them hide very well. They climb walls and ceilings easily. They eat insects, masters of camouflage. Golden poison frog. Golden poison frogs have bright colors. The colors warn enemies. They are small but dangerous. Their skin has strong poison. They live in rainforests. Tiny but scary creatures. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are very colorful. The colors mean they are poisonous. They are very small. They live in wet tropical forests. They eat tiny insects. Very special little frogs. Pink-cheeked parrot. Pink-cheeked parrots are small birds. They have cute pink faces. They are friendly and gentle. They can learn to talk. They eat seeds and fruit. A lovely pet bird. Platypus. Platypuses are very rare animals. They have a duck-like bill. They lay eggs and feed milk. They swim very well. They live in rivers and streams. One of the strangest animals ever. Crocodile. Crocodiles are meat-eating reptiles. They have very sharp teeth. They swim very well. They live in rivers and swamps. They wait patiently for prey. A dangerous hunter. Giraffe. Giraffes are plant-eating animals. They have very long necks. Long necks help reach high leaves. They have long legs and run fast. They live in wide savannas. The tallest animals in the world. animals with pouches. They move by jumping. Their back legs are very strong. Babies live in the mother's pouch. They live in dry lands, a symbol of Australia. Zebras are plant-eating animals. They have black and white stripes. Each zebra has different stripes. They live in groups. They run fast to escape danger. A very unique animal. Black panthers are strong hunters. Their black fur helps them hide. They run very fast. They are great climbers. They hunt mostly at night. A quiet and powerful hunter. Lion. Lions are big meat-eating animals. Male lions have big manes. They live and hunt in groups. They are strong and brave. They live in the Savannah, the king of the grassland. Vulture. Vultures are birds that eat leftovers. They help keep nature clean. They fly very high in the sky. They have very good eyesight. Their beaks are strong. Nature's quiet cleaners. Yay! We finished exploring. So many amazing animals, right? If you liked this world, don't forget to like and follow. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!